Hey traders, XLM is up 4.2%, currently trading around $0.192. Recent momentum has been fueled by growing real-world asset adoption and network settlement upgrades. The price moved from 0.184 to 0.192 with strong volume and positive MACD signals. However, some indicators suggest the market could be entering a consolidation phase before the next major move. Do you think XLM is preparing for a bigger breakout, or is this rally losing steam? Let me know in the comments below. Member-requested chart analysis is now available on our Patreon page. Send me a DM and check the link in the description and bio. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This is not financial advice. Now, let's jump into the analysis.